All right, now we're going to show you what you can do if you have access to multiple emergency reporting accounts. Now, what we want you to do is first to migrate to the new sign-in page for one of those departments. Let's say you are a member of 2 departments and you need to have access to both of them. You can do that with one set of sign-in credentials, one username and one password. So what we're going to do is go ahead and I am going to log in to another account that I have access to. And we're going to go into this particular account. And we are going to go into the administration module. So this is what you'll have to provide to the other department, is to have them put you in the personnel list. We're going to add a person here. Any required information on this page we will fill in, and we're going to shortcut this and not fill in all the information in the middle, but we're adding a user. So this would be for your 2nd fire department or 3rd or 4th. And yes, we do have people that do that. They will grant you access into the system and they will send you an access invitation. Remember the right email address. And they want to leave this box checked right here to save this email address to the contact info tab, an extra little feature we've given you. So when they send this invitation out, there's an extremely important process that you need to do. So we've got this sent out, and I will put in a enroll in permission. So we've created that user, and we're going to go ahead and get logged out. And then in my email that I'm going to receive my access request you're going to get that invitation to join another department. Accept invitation. When you select that, and I'll drag this over here, it's a very important step. So when you accept this invitation, it's going to direct you to create a new username, password, and confirm that password. To link the departments, what you'll do is slide down to the bottom of this page. You'll see this link, sign in, if you already have access to emergency reporting. So when I sign in here, what I'm going to do is put my other credentials in that have already established. And my password associated with that username, and select sign in. And you will end up on the home page of the 2nd department's account right here. Just as an illustration. Now, how do we switch accounts? Well, there's a couple ways we can do this. We can simply log out of this page, which I'll show you in just a moment, or we can go to my profile, and you'll notice up the top of this page, department access, that's a new, and any account that you use these same credentials for will be in this list here, and we can switch back and forth to those departments through the My Profile module. So I went to the this additional account here, and I will show you that I can jump back into that other account with just a few mouse clicks with one set of credentials, and we're going to go into that department, and there we are again, back in the 2nd Fire Department's account. I'm also going to log out to show you what happens since you've linked multiple accounts together and you log in, what you'll see. And when we sign in and we have linked accounts, you'll see you'll have a list here of those accounts, and you can select the appropriate one. And then you will go into it. And again, remember that you can switch back and forth between those accounts by going to the My Profile module. And thanks, Nate, for getting us through that process. This was a common ask for many, many years of users that would actually work for 2 to 3 fire departments, and there's a number of you out there.